you been looking for a home that is perfectly positioned between the charm of the East Bay lifestyle and proximity to everything San Francisco offers without the San Francisco price tag? Well, let me tell you about this beautiful condo in Albany, California. This sunny and well-maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo gives you approximately 1,170 square feet of comfort and flexibility. Hi, I'm Tanja Odzak, eXp Realty, and let me show you why this one might just be the one. You can even get into this condo without ever going up a single stair. Moreover, the community offers multiple amenities like gated parking, elevators, swimming pool, tennis courts, playground, and more, all while being just 30 minutes to San Francisco, but without those San Francisco prices. I'm Tanja Odzak. Call me if you have any questions on this home or on any other home, or if you'd like to talk to me about selling your home. I'm always here to help.